Listen, I've been in the apparel business for over 25 years, not just printing t-shirts, building a real business that survived through life. And when I say through life, y'all, I mean business, hard times, lessons, mistakes, all of it. And baby, I am still standing. This business from the ground up. And there was a time when I didn't know how to price properly. I stayed on a hamster wheel, working all day, wearing myself down, staying busy, but not really seeing any profit, at least not the kind of profit that I should have been making. I know what it feels like to undercharge. I know what it feels like to work nonstop. I know what it feels like to feel tied to your business instead of being free. And one of the biggest lessons that I learned throughout my 25 years is that everybody isn't your customer. And once I figured out who my customers was and started putting my systems in place, that's when everything changed. Because after a while, business stops being about money. It starts being about your peace, about you wanting your time back. You want your business to run smoother so that you can be free. You want customers without the constant headache. That's what took me years to learn. Now things flow better because I learned the systems, better pricing, better workflows, better customer communication, better marketing, better visibility, and actually how to get found online. And that's why I created this community because I want to share this with people like you who are going through the things that I was going through. So, inside the community, we're going to be talking about all aspects of the t shirt business, apparel business, custom printing. We're going to talk about pricing, printing, techniques, artwork, marketing, AI, customer service. I'm big on admin, y'all, production, your workflow, even that type of equipment, because people make big mistakes by buying the wrong equipment, right? Um, we're going to talk about getting customers because that's what y'all want to know, and not just getting customers, but getting the right customers. How to get visible online and how to build a business that actually works for your lifestyle because we all have different lifestyles. We all have different hustle in us and we all have different goals. So this community is for the person that feels overwhelmed, the person that's trying to figure it out, the person that's balancing kids, work, life, and business all the time. Okay? This is real game from somebody who's actually lived it. I can't wait to see you in the community. And thanks for joining.